Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, May 6th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's get into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. So statistically, we have a 0% change in the last 24 hours from yesterday when I made this same video. But right after I made this video, at about 12 o'clock, Bitcoin dropped from over $9,000 down to, let's see here, 8,860. Then over the rest of the day, we had a steady climb right back up. So right now, Bitcoin is at a 0% change in the last 24 hours at $9,032.31. Ethereum down 0.9% at $207.28. Dash down 1% at $79.60. And Litecoin, where are you, Litecoin? $46.90, down 1.1% from yesterday. So if you were a day trader in Bitcoin for the last 2 days and you bought at 8,800, then sold at 9,100, then bought again at 8,800 and sold today, you made like $400 off one Bitcoin. And that's it for the prices. But if you want to keep watching me, join us later today when we go over the top news articles in the last 24 hours so that you guys can stay up to date and informed on everything going on in the cryptocurrency space. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.